Greetings. The Parliament of Georgia will consider the incoming draft law on tourism. The bill provides for the introduction of compulsory insurance for tourists from June 1, 2024. In case of violation of the requirements, visitors will be fined $115. Earlier it was reported that from June 2 Sochi-Tbilisi-Sochi and Moscow-Kutaisi-Moscow flights will be operated 3 times a week, but these flights for June 2 are not yet in the schedule of Red Wings. The European Union made an official démarche with respect to Georgia in connection with the resumption of air communication with Russia. In Demarch there is a direct demand for sanctions, which are caused by baseless assumptions. Georgia's sanctions against the Russian Federation will not do anything to Russia and will only harm Georgia. The tourist season in the Black Sea region of Georgia will officially open on June 3. In Batumi, a 2-day summer festival will be held for vacationers. Yesterday, May 30, in Abkhazia, on the square near the Sukhumi Drama Theater, a people's opposition rally was held. They demanded the withdrawal of the agreement on the transfer of objects in Pitsunda to the Russian Federation, the refusal to privatize energy facilities, since Abkhazia is not for sale. At the Sukhumi complex of government buildings, before the opposition rally, military equipment was pulled up. The president of the self-proclaimed Republic of Abkhazia, Aslan Bazania, came out to the protesters and thanked them for their support. Drones attacked Moscow yesterday morning, causing minor damage to several buildings. The president of the Russian Federation said that a few days ago Russia attacked the military intelligence headquarters of Ukraine. Attack on Moscow. This is Kyiv's answer. The owner of a living space in Rome did not let the Georgian into the booked apartment. The refusal was explained by the fact that the Napoli football club and the Georgian footballer Kavicha Kvaratskhelia caused him a lot of pain this year. Good luck to all of you.